You give her kisses?
Okay, Bob. Baby. I want to go with you.
You go with her?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Baby.
Okay, that's a good name. She's a pretty
Big
baby.
one here.
Oh.
This
I think she actually has a name.
Yeah, she should have a birth certificate.
Lainey
one. Big mouse.
Harris.
Big
Oh.
mouse. Big eyes.
Birth certificate and adoption papers.
Big one here.
She has pretty hair? Does she have pretty hair?
Oh, baby ship.
It's okay.
One here, baby.
Here.
Okay, I'll take it in just a second.
Ruby, this is for the baby's hair.
What is it, a comb? It's a comb, Ruby? You want to get her brush? Need some help?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to brush her hair? Oh, it's so nice, Ruby.
Uncle baby's here.
Yeah. Like this. Does that feel funny?
Does it tickle?
Ah,